Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm TJ and today we are going to be looking at how to install the body glove tempered glass on the iPhone 7. Here is the phone we will be using, brand new out of the box. Let's take a look at the tempered glass. On the back, you have some specs. You can pause and read it. The front basically lists all the common aspects of a tempered glass. Let's get this open. First up, you have your instruction manual. Pretty basic, straightforward, nothing out of the ordinary. Followed by the tempered glass itself. Next is the dust absorber, microfiber cloth, and a screen wipe. Here you go guys, a perfectly clean, unused screen. And because of that, I will not be using the wet wipe. I will be using the dust absorber. And now to install the glass. Here is step 1. My way of installing is peel the protective plastic halfway, align the glass, then carefully pull out the protective film. Take your time with this guys, you have to get it perfectly centered. Then you can press on the center to start a ripple effect, which should push out the air bubbles. If you do end up with a few bubbles, not to worry. Gently push out the bubbles with a microfiber cloth. Take your time and do not rush this step or use excessive force, as you can break the glass. And here is the final result. My thoughts? This is an average screen protector. It does an okay job with resisting fingerprints. It looks decent. Install was okay and usability is fine. It obviously feels a lot better than using those cheap plastic protectors, which I would recommend to avoid. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and let me know in the comments below if you will be picking the screen protector for your phone. Also, do you guys enjoy this type of tutorials? Let me know.